Looking to upgrade your ride? Today we're counting down the top 5 best bicycle cranksets on the market. Whether you're a road racer, trail shredder, or weekend warrior, there's something here for you. Watch the entire list and you'll be able to decide which one suits you best. Let's dive in together and find the perfect crankset to power your ride. Item number 5. Introducing the Evosid aluminum alloy crankset. Built for mountain bikes and forged from high-strength AL7075. It supports 8 to 11 speed systems and features a dub 29mm spindle, compatible with multiple bottom brackets. Choose from crank lengths of 165, 170, or 175mm, with chainline options of 49mm or 52mm for boost. The crankset supports 3-bolt direct mount chainrings and comes in black, titanium, or rainbow polished finishes. Lightweight, durable, and performance-ready. This crankset is made to ride hard. Item number 4. The SENICX PR3 crankset is built for road bikes, featuring forged AL6061T6 aluminum crank arms and alloy chainrings. It supports 9 to 12 speed drivetrains and comes in crank lengths of 165, 170, or 175mm. Chainring options include 5339T, 5236T, 5034T, and 4630T, with a 24mm chromoly spindle, 43.5mm chainline, and 151mm Q factor. This crankset offers smooth power transfer and compatibility with direct mount setups. Perfect for performance-driven road cyclists. Item number 3. The Ryro Racer R8 crankset is designed for road bikes made from lightweight aluminum alloy. It supports 2x10, 2x11, and 2x12 speed drivetrains with chainring options of 50, 34T, or 5339T. Crank length is 170mm with a 24mm chromoly shaft, 152mm Q factor, and a 44.5mm chainline, compatible with Shimano, SRAM, LTW, and Sensa systems. Weighing around 825 grams to 995 grams, it's a reliable choice for smooth power transfer and versatile performance. Item number 2. The Ryro 706 crankset is crafted for road cycling, built from durable aluminum alloy. It supports 2x11 and 2x12 speed systems and comes with chainring options of 5034T and 5339T. The crank length is 170mm, paired with a forged CRMO BB2441 spindle. It offers a Q factor of 160mm and a chainline of 45mm for optimal power transfer. Weighing around 850 grams to 940 grams with tools and shaft, the Ryro 706 delivers solid performance for serious road riders. Item number 1. The Ryro ACF is a high-performance carbon fiber crankset built for road bikes. Designed for 1X or 2X 11-12 speed setups, it features crank lengths of 165, 170, or 172.5mm. The chainrings, made from AL7075T6, come in 5034T, 5236T, or 5339T options, with a lightweight carbon crank, around 399 grams, 29mm spindle, and a Q factor of 150mm. The Ryro ACF delivers stiffness, speed, and efficiency for competitive road cycling. Which of these bicycle cranksets is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.